I'm Dr. Beth Claxton, and I'm here with Diane Liao, who is a registered dietitian. She's been doing this for 13 years and has her master's in nutrition. She's certified to serve perimenopausal and menopausal women with specific training. So she's here today to give us a little cooking class.
Hi.
I want to ask you, what are the specifics that make perimenopausal and menopausal nutrition different from anyone else?
I specifically decided on this population because there are things that women as young as myself, or even younger than myself, are going through, and we don't really know exactly what's going on. Our mothers, grandmothers may not be able to explain as well how the process is like. So I feel like this population is really special. Another main thing that is so important to me is that a lot of women care about everybody around us but themselves.
That's so true. I want to put a plug in for women to follow their symptoms, because for me, as a specialist in perimenopause and menopause, it's those symptoms that give me the most information.
A lot of times too, I hear patients, clients, they have certain symptoms, so they think it's something else. They go to the doctors, and doctors don't even know for sure what's going on. They're like, hey, just go home, rest, hydrate, eat well, sleep well, and you should be good.
And they can't sleep well.
Yeah, exactly.